Forex, or foreign exchange, is the global marketplace for swapping one country's currency for another. Let's break down how this massive market functions. At its simplest level, Forex is just the exchange of money. If you travel abroad, you participate in the Forex market instantly. The Forex market is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, with trillions of dollars changing hands every single day. Trading occurs in pairs. You are always buying one currency while simultaneously selling another based on their relative exchange rates. Unlike the stock market, which has specific opening hours, Forex is decentralized and operates globally around the clock during the work week. The US dollar is involved in the vast majority of all trades, acting as the primary global reserve currency in the Forex ecosystem. Remember that currency values are driven by complex economic factors, making this market highly sensitive to global news and central bank policies. Thanks for watching. Understanding Forex is a great step toward grasping global finance. Please consult a professional before making any financial decisions.